let me show you this laundry hamper I just got. It impressed me so much. Okay, so it comes in this box. The box is not that big. It's pretty small. I mean, it is a little heavy, but okay, let me unpack everything. I'm gonna hyperlapse the process so you can see how easy it is to put it together. The instructions were really easy to read. I didn't have a problem putting it together. I'm very impressed at how sturdy the frame is. I thought it would be wobbly, but no, like to my surprise, this cart is so sturdy. So then it comes with these hampers that attach to both sides of the bar, and you slide them into the slots. And look, I'm just beyond impressed that this came from that little box. The cart is 29 inches tall and by 29 inches long, and the width of it is almost 12 inches. It has 360 wheels, so seriously, you can take it anywhere. This larger hamper is 19.7 inches tall by 11.8, and these smaller ones are 11.8 by 11.8. It's really cool. There's 3, and they promise not to sag. This tabletop is absolutely incredible. Like, having that extra space is amazing. So my plan is grab a coffee and walk this thing around the house, get all the laundry sorted out as I'm picking it up everywhere. Whites, colors, blacks, and I'll just set it here and come back to finish.